Mumbai Indians is the one of the strongest team in Indian Premium League. The Mumbai Indians can be stopped with this retired 11 of IPL. So, shall we begin? Former Indian opener Gautam Gambhir was one of the crucial member of Indian team that lifted the T20 World Cup in 2007 and 50 over World Cup in 2011. For Kolkata, he played 154 games and scored 4,217 runs. KKR lift the cup two times in the Gautam Gambhir captaincy was in 2012 and 2014. Virendra Sehwag, another Indian opener. He always proved to be a match winner for his side. He has the best strike rate of 150 plus in 100 matches. Sehwag had recorded 2 centuries and 16 half centuries in his IPL career. He has 334 fours and 106 sixes. He had a poor end to his IPL career as he was only able to score only 99 runs in his last. Despite playing just one T20 of Sachin Tendulkar took to this format well. Tendulkar scored 2,334 runs in IPL, including a century for Mumbai Indians against Kochi Tuskers in 2011, boasting a strike rate of 138.39 in that tournament. The former Indian skipper will be completing the top order of the retired 11. Tendulkar even lead MI to their first finals before lifting the trophy. Mahela Jayawardene takes the first of 4 spots of foreign players of this retired 11. Jayawardene played for 3 franchises in IPL career: Kings 11 Punjab, Kochi Tuskers Kerala and Delhi. Jayawardene, who is the current coach of Mumbai Indians, was a great batsman in his prime. In his IPL career, he played 80 matches and scored 1802 runs at an apart of 28.60 average. Apart from this, being a good middle-order batsman, Jayawardene was also a phenomenal fielder. His best IPL season was 2010 one where scored 439 runs and recorded a 1 IPL ton. Jayawardene batted with a strike rate of 147. Australia legend Adam Gilchrist will keep the wickets in this retired 11. Having a player like Gilchrist in the squad is always an advantage because of his unmatchable wicket-keeping skills as well as power hitting. He scored 2,069 runs in IPL with a remarkable strike rate of 138. He has 2 centuries to his name. He is a best opener, but his much needed strike rate will give the firepower to the. Coming to all-rounders, it was a no-brainer to pick South African Jacques Kallis. The star performer was able to replicate his international heroic in the IPL as he boasts a strike rate of very low 108.74 with the bat and an impressive economy with 7.85 with ball. Kallis proved to be a key performer for his side. In this league, he scored 2222 runs in 98 matches. He finished his IPL career with 65 wickets in 2014. Kallis proved to be a best all-rounder. Many would be surprised to see this name, Pragyan Ojha, in this team. Ojha make the cut of an back a decent economy of 7.36. The left-arm spinner has got 89 wickets in his 92 matches with an average of 26.20. Although Ojha never was able to cement place in Indian side, he was a remarkable consistent in the IPL. Has got purple cap in 2010 for 21 wickets in that season. Moreover, Ojha is the perfect candidate. Former Indian coach Anil Kumble will be the heading the spin department of star sudden side of retired 11. Although the leg spinner played only 3 seasons, he was a fabulous bearing inaugural season. Kumble boasts of 45 wickets in 42 games with an economy of 6.57 and an average of 23.51. The leg spinner Anil Kumble has 3 4 wicket hauls and 1 5 wicket haul are definitely the best selling points. Anil Kumble was the best cricketing brain who led the Royal Challengers Bangalore in 2009 and went to finals, but left-arm quick RP Singh broke onto the international scene, bowling some phenomenal in-swingers during the 2011 ICC T20 World Cup. His impressive performance in the tournament saw Deccan Chargers snap him up the opening leg of the IPL. Although Singh was never able to cement his place in national team, he has 90 wickets in his 82 IPL matches and bagging the purple cap of 20 wickets. Lakshimpati Balaji, the Tamil Nadu bowler and a right-arm quick bowler in this playing 11, was taken 76 wickets in 73 games, including a hat-trick. Balaji's death bowling makes him a great asset to this side, with his strike rate of 19.91 and an average of 26.68. In the 7 seasons he played, the Tamil Nadu Quick managed to lift the IPL twice, and twice he finished one of the India's greatest bowlers. Zaheer Khan doesn't need any introduction. The left-arm quick was renowned for his ability to swing the ball, and his experience saw him excel in IPL. Having played 100 games in the tournament, Zaheer scraped off 1 or 2 wickets at an impressive economy of 7.59. His best IPL season came in the year of 2012. He scraped 17 wickets in 16 matches. Zaheer was only player to feature in first match and the 500th match of the IPL. If you like this video, please share, subscribe to my channel.